Hi, my name is Bill Cregar. I'm currently a fellow at OrthoCarolina in Charlotte, North Carolina. This has been the most impactful year of my training in terms of individual growth. For being a sports medicine fellowship, they definitely do a great job of incorporating complex issues in all joints that I don't think you can find anywhere else in the country. The breadth of cases that you will be doing, all the way from shoulder, hip, knee, elbow, all joints, all complex procedures, and really get an opportunity to operate with great mentors. We actually had the ability to travel anywhere in the world. I chose to go to Lyon, France and work with Dr. Bertrand Sonnery-Cote, which was an amazing experience for me. It's an extremely well-rounded program, from sports coverage to complex cases to operative autonomy. And the best part is the type of people you'll work with on a day-to-day basis. This has been a great year for me to learn and perfect my abilities both in clinic and in operating room.